Hi, this is Mr. Aleshu, and today I'm going to show you how to do the mapping quiz with the 6 mapping skills. We're going to practice doing map titles, capital cities, using the map key, using the compass rose, labeling and bordering a place, and using relative location. We'll use this map of Cuba as an example. The first task is always the map title, and the question will most likely be, what is the title of this map? So the title of the map is usually at the top, and you simply just copy the entire title, even if it's really long. So this map is called Cuba's Economic Resources. The second task are capital cities. The way to identify a capital city on a map is there'll be a star with a circle around it. Okay, so what is the capital of Cuba? Normal cities will have just a dot, but the capital will have a star with a circle around it, and it's right here. It's Havana. So the capital of Cuba is Havana. The third question is using a map key. This box here is the map key. These symbols represent where certain things are on this map. The question is asking what resource is closest to Guantanamo. Well, if you look in the map key, it says economic product and resources. So then if you find Guantanamo, which is right here, you look at the dot, that tells you exactly where Guantanamo is. The closest resource to it is this green stick, which is sugarcane. So the closest resource to Guantanamo is sugarcane. The next question is using the compass rose, which is located here. The question is asking, what direction would you travel if you went from Santa Clara to Havana? So you're going from Santa Clara, that means that you start there. You're going to Havana, that means you go to Havana. So Santa Clara is right here, right here. You're going to Havana. So if you start at Santa Clara and you go towards Havana, you make almost an upward motion to the left, which means you're going from here to here. You're traveling northwest. Again, if you go from Santa Clara to Havana, from Santa Clara to Havana, you will move in a northwest direction. The answer is northwest. The next question is when you practice using bordering places. To border something means that they touch and they're side by side. So name a city bordering the Caribbean Sea. Here's the Caribbean Sea, it's blue. So if we trace the Caribbean Sea along the way, we're going to look for a city that's dot is right on the sea. And there are 3 answers. Cienfuegos is right on the sea. So we could type in Cienfuegos. If we keep going, you see Camagüey, Bayamo are close, but they're not there. But Santiago de Cuba, the dot is simply right on the sea. It borders it. So Santiago de Cuba. And Guantanamo is pretty close. We'll give it that. Guantanamo is bordering the water. It's right on the water. And then the final task is relative location. You simply ask or answer in a sentence. So the question is, what is the relative location of Pinar del Rio? Pinar del Rio is here. You can use any combinations of words you want. Any combinations of words. Okay. You can say Pinar del Rio is under this, is next to that, is nearby that, east of this, north of that, across from, bordering, next to, south of, whatever you want. So I'm going to say Pinar del Rio is west of Havana. And that is how you answer all of those questions.